Alright everyone, I got here a clock that lights up, or it's supposed to light up, but it's not. So I'm taking all the screws out, and I'm pretty sure it's the bulb. It's preheat. Here, you see that part blinks, and the starter just kind of glows. So it might be the ballast, but I'm going to try and plug in a different bulb here and see if that fixes it. Got another one right here. Alright, let's test it. Yep, it was the bulb that was bad. Alright, now I'm going to put it all back together. Alright, so it's all put back together. I put a battery in the clock, because the clock itself is actually battery powered. The only thing that's powered is by 120 is the light bulb in there. So here you go. There you go. Alright, thanks for watching.